Welcome friend, namaskar mitrano, and you are seeing this star road, and this star road is approach road to the property, and our property is touching this star road. The accessibility of the property is very good. We are entering in the plot. It has an entry gate, and you see it is having a wire fencing and cement pole from all the sides. The government mostly of the plot is also done. This is a complete table plot and 100% a soil one. You are seeing the shed, which is a goat shed, which is approximately 600 square feet, and it has one cabin also, and this is a bore well, and this bore well has sufficient water all the time. This is located in Taluka Shrivardhan and district Raigad. The plot is 12 guntha. The village is approximately 1 kilometer, bus stop is 600 meters. It is a single owner and clear title property. Pune is 165 km, Mumbai is 185 km. Mumbai Goa Highway NH66 is 48 km and SH100, the state highway, is just 400 meters, so accessibility is very nice. The final rate is 20 lakhs. So those who feel the price is okay, call me for the site visit. New people, subscribe me. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Keep watching real properties, real videos.